Hi, I'm Dev, and I'm here to talk to you about how nPlan solves a big problem in construction. Big engineering projects mean big delays. The Berlin-Brandenburg Airport is now 8 years behind schedule. The Tesla Gigafactory should have been operating at full capacity by now. The Battersea Power Station should have opened in 1986. These aren't stories of mismanagement. They're stories of unmanageable complexity. We're expecting humans to understand projects that are beyond human comprehension. Each project has hundreds of thousands of tasks, from pouring concrete to installing cables, and each will be different every time you do it. Asking someone to figure out how long a project should take is like asking them to count the grains of sand on a beach. When you come to think of it, it's incredible that some projects are completed at all. nPlan understands complex construction projects that no human can. We have assembled the largest proprietary collection of project schedules in the world and have trained our AI to anticipate delays and recommend improvements. Using nPlan, project managers, construction managers, planners, and schedulers can correct delays before they occur. As our cities become larger and a vital part to the growth of our economies, technology will play an increasingly vital role in planning. Take High Speed 2. It's the largest construction project the UK has done since the Victorian era. It'll cost us £56 billion and take us 15 years to complete. And I'm really proud to tell you that we have agreed a paid trial with High Speed 2 to help them avoid such delays. And we're not stopping there. We have 12 such trials going on at the moment, covering 6 of the 10 largest UK construction companies, 2 of the largest engineering construction companies in Japan, and 3 other mega projects, just like High Speed 2. We've won awards for what we do. This is considered the most promising innovation breakthrough for infrastructure construction. And to let that sink in for a second, the last major innovation that came through for infrastructure construction was off-site manufacturing 70 years ago. One of the reasons people like working with us is because they're a fun and great team. My co-founder, Alan, who's downstairs, has a PhD in deep learning theory and optimization methods. Probably more interesting than his PhD is the fact that he got it whilst working full-time for Jane Street Capital, one of the world's most profitable algorithmic trading funds. Alan also has worked as a software engineer for multiple large corporates and has really seen software products being built right from the ground all the way to complex machine learning systems. Vahan has a PhD in machine learning, large-scale machine learning optimization problems from Imperial College London. He also has a degree in applied mathematics from ETH in Zurich. Vahan has been our spearhead and helped us file our first 2 global patents, which went live 2 weeks ago. And I used to work for Shell. I've been there and done that. I've been out in the field. I've worn a hard hat and fireproof clothing for 8 years of my career. I've been on the tough end of the stick when my project did not go well, and I had to answer for why I didn't understand what risks I was taking on my projects. I later then worked for the UK government. I was the head of emerging technology across government. I led and delivered the National Review on Artificial Intelligence. I wrote the document that was published last September, which has since released £1 billion into the economy for progressing AI. Our advisors include Lord Pryor of Brampton, who was the chairman of the Construction Leadership Council and was a minister for construction in the UK government. At nPlan, we're trying to rebuild how projects are built from the ground up. If we want spaceports, hyperloops, and floating cities, we're going to have to rethink how projects are built from the ground up. And thanks to our technology, you'll soon hear sentences like, High-Speed 2 opened a year early and saved taxpayers billions. My name is Amratia, and I'm from nPlan. We've got a stand in the startup booth. I'd love to tell you more about how this technology works as well. Thank you. Oh, sorry, final thing. We're hiring at the moment. We are a very small, young team. We've just closed our seed round. We are growing aggressively. We've got lots of exciting roles. If you're interested in working for a company that will transform the construction industry, nplan.io. Thank you.